What's going on, guys? Another day. Just waiting for everybody to come on. Just another day of trading. Another solid day of trading. Not too many entries for me today, but
What's going on, guys?
it's all good. I'm just making sure everything works on my end. Everything's working. Oh, wow. Oh. Plug my phone in. See if it comes back down. Oh, did that just? Are you kidding me? That's how my what? Let's zoom in on that. I didn't get filled there. How? How? Ugh. Oh man. Oh. Yeah. I've been really nice. Let's see if it comes down and touches it here. Here we go. Let's see what happens. I think an auction or something happened. Nice scalp. Let's see if it goes through to the 200 now. Just getting this account up a little bit. That was a good scalp. I take that. Oh. Come on. What up? Day's pretty good. Just waiting for some more people to come on. Just building up accounts, pretty much. Is this going to be the bounce, or are we going to go a little bit below? What do you think? A nice 200 bounce here? Let's see if we get it. Oh, man. Today's been a good day. Not much action, but green. Can't complain about a green day. That I will say. Hopefully my second Apex payout comes. Just waiting. I'm just relaxing and breathing like the Apex guy told me to do. Just relax and breathe. But today I basically grabbed the bottom of the bottom. I basically bought right here in a couple of accounts. And the reason I bought there, right around the pivot point, and then we just bounced. I'm hoping that they sell this down a little bit, so I can get filled at the 200. Just patiently waiting. Definitely has that look that it's going to go. I just want a good entry. Come on, one solid push down for me. No, I don't think I'm going to get it. Do I ride this momentum up a little bit? Come on, give me like. Oh, I'm just getting out. That was a crap fill. Real crap fill. Yeah, that looked really good though. Nice consolidation down into VWAP, and then the break over. That was pretty legit play. Man, I need a freaking energy drink so bad. I think every single one of the accounts are up today. I might be requesting 2 payouts here. I'm like 500 away from another payout here. 600 away from that one. And if you've watched my Apex videos recently, I got paid the $2,000, and then I'm waiting for approval of the next $2,000. That'll be $4,000 on the month, and then I can get these other two. That'll be $8,000 for this payout window, which would be nice. Just slowly grinding, playing quality setups. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. If we come back down, this has my interest. If we come back down. So what's going on? I see some new people up in the chat. What are you guys up to? I'm going to grab an energy drink. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, man. I had to put it in the freezer. Had to cool it off. Ready to freaking slam some contracts here. Just waiting for the setup. Whew. That was a nice little pump. Oh, this one's going to get over on the funded side. I don't know why this one didn't go over yet. 358. Let me see why it didn't turn to funded yet. That's weird. I obviously passed. Dun, dun, dun. Did they send me a thing and I just didn't sign it? Yep. Just didn't sign it yet. Okay. I guess I should just sign it now and get it over with, right? Just get another funded up in here. So weird that it took an extra day to come, though. Boom, boom, boom. What up, guys? What up? How's your day going? People starting to flow on in, trade in the afternoon. I'm just paying for this account that I put over. I put it over 2 days ago. I don't know what the deal was. So weird. All right, it's paid for. They'll probably set it up in 2 minutes. Feel free to introduce yourself on the stream. Just hanging. Just waiting for some good setups. Here's an Apex account. I'm trying to get Apex funded. That's I have a bunch of Apex accounts. I'm trying to get Top Step funded. That's what Top Step, and then I'm gonna do Take Profit Trader afterwards. I've had Take Profit Trader accounts. I know a lot of people like them. I like the payouts. I think Top Step is the next one I get a couple funded accounts on, and then I'm going to move to Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader just has good payouts where like you just do whatever the hell you want. This looks like it might rampadoo. It's either a rampadoo or you're probably going to get a good entry at like the 34 VWAP. Come on. And you guys get paid during this Apex window? Anybody running the same issues that I ran into? I had to write out a whole trade plan. I had to write out a whole trade plan about how I trade and everything. it was interesting just to get get the money that I made trading out. Nobody else made it for me. It's so ridiculous. Man, this can curl up here. You might be able to get a break and you might see like 218 here. Come on up. I grabbed one in my Rhythmic account just so I don't miss it. If it goes, if not, I'm buying on the dip here. See what happens. But this is starting to look like it's good on pop. Wait, what? Wait, what just happened there? I dragged it for a take profit up. Did you guys see that? That was so weird. What is it meant to be that I'm meant to not buy that right there? That was weird, weird. I dragged it up and yeah, that was weird. I want to get this account funded so bad. What's going on, people? I see more people joining the stream. What's going on? Come on and pump this thing. Pump it. Don't tell me that's it. Let's go. Get up and go. Oh, yeah. Push it. But I guess they have till the end of the month to pay me my other 2,000. So I'm kind of curious what happens here. If they end up paying me, or I got to provide more documentation, more videos on how I trade. It's definitely not something I wanted to do, but obviously I'll do whatever it is. Come on, scoot on up for us. I might just take this $80, $85. I'm trying to build this account up, honestly. Oh, did I just sell out in time? Did I just take profit right? Did my other stuff get filled? No, nothing else got filled. It didn't go further enough. Oh man. That was like a flash dump. That was a flash dump-a-doo. See, now that happened, though, I am not super confident. I don't know. I hate when stuff like this happens because it's kind of like out of place. Like what caused that dump? I mean, obviously somebody put a massive sell order in um, that caused it, but it's kind of like just kind of gets me thinking. Just gets me thinking where I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. It was looking good before that happened. But you know, if I take that wick out, it looks good. It looks like it's gonna go. I mean, this is what I game plan for. I just that wick is just a freaking big wick. You know. Oh. There we go. That's what we were looking for. Um I'm glad I sold out for profit, obviously, but it would have been almost $200 more in this Top Step account. This is what I was looking for originally. Oh man. See now that what's going on, everybody? What's up? New people on the stream. Feel free to comment in the chat. Say what's up. What you guys are all doing. You guys requesting payouts. Payout window ends on Thursday. If you were wondering. You know. I use Bullnox, Top Step, Apex, and Take Profit Trader. I'll be honest with you, after this whole Apex thing, I don't know whoever's on this chat, if you've heard this before, sorry, but like I just requested $4,000 from Apex, and I'm about to request another 4,000 probably on Thursday. And they paid out 2,000 and another 2,000 is tied up. And they asked me all these questions. They wanted me to explain my 2 days worth of trades prior to June 5th. So they wanted my trades for June 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th with screenshots, my whole trade plan and everything else. They wanted me to give them all this information so they can release the $2,000 from me. And since then, I'm more interested in doing Top Step and Take Profit Trader now going forward, because there is no, you just basically trade. Once you hit the profit goal, you get the money. That's kind of what I thought Apex is. Also, I don't DCA. So, I felt like I would have got paid, and now they're asking questions because I follow a certain technical trade plan. And what happened was news came out during the middle of the day. I got filled at a technical spot, which was VWAP, and it went right back up within 2 seconds, and I made money. And they don't want to pay out the money based on that trade. So now they're reviewing everything. So now I'm kind of stuck here waiting to go back and forth. But technically they have another 11 days to let me know if they're going to approve it. So it is what it is. And I just kind of sit here and wait and continue to trade my other accounts. So that's why I'm trying to build up this Top Step account. I would like to push this over next week or this week if possible. And, Top Step is pretty simple. You just 5 days of $200 of profit. That's not difficult. Super easy. It's out there. The whole, no, but I like Apex because of the costs. And to be honest with you, so here's all my accounts. These PAs are paid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 paid accounts here. And then in Rhythmic, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paid accounts. So I have 17 paid accounts with Apex. And then I have a paid account with Bullknock. So I have 18 funded accounts that I'm trading. Yeah, so I'm just trading 18 funded accounts, trying to oh geez. Did I just do this today? Oh jeez. So this just happened. Oh. So if you're looking at my screen, these accounts are just the accounts you see in Tradeovate. I have, like I said, I have my laptop right here. I bought at the bottom right here in a Tradeovate account, and I didn't sell it out. And now I'm up $1,600 in this funded account, which is higher than the consistency rule. Oh, man. They're definitely going to bitch. Definitely going to bitch. Jeez. I mean, I bought it. I would think they're not, but I bought at the pivot point and I just sold. Ugh. Jeez. These guys are going to complain about everything now, I feel. I feel like every time I get in a trade, if I get a good entry and I hold it, always something. Always something. Well, welcome to anybody that's new. Chat's open. If you have any questions, I've pulled money out this pay period, which is nice. I'm trying to get funded in Top Step. And chart looks good. Broke out of this consolidation, consolidated here, breaking out here. We're approaching the top orb though, which I'll be honest with you, we might reject it. It's right. This is the orb on the Qs. I mean, we're about. I wonder if we reject the top orb right here. If you look, the top orb would be 935. So 217, 218, 217, 218. Getting close to it right now on the upside. I wonder if they roll it over here for just a little bit, get back down. There we go. It's a good move right there. Bump, bump, bump. coming back down to touch the 34. I am going to take a quick scalp off this. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if it holds. Come on. Come on. I'm going to get a Celsius in my freezer. Be right back. Just bring it up for me, guys. Bring it up. I'm back with my Celsius. Did you guys bring it up for me? Oh, we're at $45, 40, 50. Oh, I'll take it. I'll take that scalp all day. All day, baby. This account is annoying me. Look, you could see at one time, this account was at $51,500 or almost $700. And I've taken a huge bath in this account. And I've been slowly building it up ever since. By the way, this Celsius is, I don't drink Celsius a lot, but this one is pretty good. Peach. It won't really show this one right here. Peach Vibe. It's pretty good. Oh, man. But yeah, so this account got smoked, and I've been kind of building it up ever since. It was rough. It was rough because I was within probably $900 of getting paid, and then that happened. I feel like I want to make a pretty nice size bet somewhere here. Let's see if we come down. Come on. This 34 is basically the trend. I'm willing to risk it in a eval account. So basically, this is an eval account. And if we go up, great, because my eval account will get pushed over. And if we don't go up, we'll probably come down and I'll get paid. I'll get my orders filled in my eval, in my funded. See what we got going on. I like that you can see my accounts now on the side. Push it. Push it. Come on. Anybody on the chat just saying what's up? New people. Today's kind of been a slower trading day compared to yesterday. Yesterday was wild. Come on. I kind of want to take this 100 and something bucks. Get another one of these funded. Another funded job. They're going to turn around and push this. There we go. I figured you would push it. Yep, there we go. That's the push. I don't even know if I have a... This is like my 10th... Oh. Yeah, man. So, Vincent, what's up? So, I applied for... I have 2 accounts that I got over. I'll show you. One of them is this one. One of them is that one, which I had an awesome video on me pushing that over. I was like freaking pumped when I pushed that over. And then the other is on my laptop. I have Rhythmic Trader Pro on my laptop. If you guys haven't gotten payouts, this is what it looks like. So basically, 33 is on my laptop in Rhythmic. And I got that one over. I'm just going to pull it up. So they actually took the money out of my account already in Rhythmic. My account balance is 50,715. And then this other one, they're messing around with me because they're just messing around with me because they want to know how I made this one trade. And I'll show you the trade because I took a screenshot to show them. So basically, I had an order right here. So we were trading up here, and I had an order at the pivot point, and VWAP was down here. And I just left an order in. I had an order there, and I think I had an order at the 200. So I had an order at the 200 and an order here, and I just kind of left it. And, sometimes I leave orders. I'm like, hey, if it comes down and I get filled, awesome. So I left the order in, and news came out at 10 o'clock, ISM manufacturing PMI, and we dropped, or SMI, I forget what it was. So anyways, we dropped basically 60 points. It filled me. And then within 2 seconds, went all the way back up. And I obviously made quite a bit of money on it. And they want to know why I took it, all this stuff, why I took it, what my trade plan is. They want to see my trades from 2 days before this, 2 days after this to make sure I'm trading the same trade plan, all this stuff. And I'm like, yeah, man, I'm trading the same plan. Like, why would I not trade the same plan? I'm freaking making money every day. I was like, I told them, you guys have access to my accounts. Every day I consistently make money. Like, I'm not here doing gamble trades or whatever. And there was like an issue. I was like, dude, look through. I have 17 funded accounts. I have 17 funded accounts because I grow the accounts and I'm not doing stupid crap. I told the guy, go look through them all. Like, I have nothing to hide. And on top of that, I even told the Apex guy to come on the stream. I don't DCA. So what I do is I leg in. So they allow you to DCA once. So I'll basically leg in where I'll like, I don't know, say I'll buy here. Well, let me see. Like, say this is the 200. I'll buy at the 200 and then I'll add another one at VWAP. And then I'll have my stops in like that. So basically I'll get filled right around here and my stops in place. Everything's legit. All the orders are in prior. Like, I never get into a position and then add if the order wasn't in already. Adding without having an order in already is a DCA. The way I do it is legging into the position. So, just stupid. But I'm about to I'm hoping to get another payout. This account is close and this account is close. So I'm hoping that we get a little dip here and I can get in. Why are you close, Vincent? Are you close on any of on your accounts? But after they not declined, when they started asking questions, I told myself that obviously I'm going to still trade with Apex because I have so many accounts, but I'm done getting evals with them until they pay out everything that I earned, and then I'll probably get a couple Top Step and Take Profit Trader accounts. Just seems like it's the way. For some, I am conservative with my PA. Why? Where in your PA accounts? Where are you at right now? Are you like at 51,000? I feel like when you're newer, like once you get to like 51,000, you start getting a little nervous because you're getting kind of close, but you're not really there yet. Like I start to get nervous when I'm like $500 away. I'm like, all right, like I don't want to lose now. That's just how I look at it. When I get to like now where I'm here at now, I'm playing only certain setups. I'm really picky at this point in those accounts. Oh, this is just like a serious grind. Like we had this whole chop today. I wonder if we're doing this because of Juneteenth. We're closed tomorrow. It's like this is a big chop. This was chop like 40 minutes of just chop, and now we're just kind of not really going anywhere here. Just following this 34 up. Let me see if I could I'll keep scalping it in my eval. Oh, let's see. I'll just keep scalping until it drops or just pumps through. Just get a little bit of money, a little bit of money, a little bit of money. I feel like the DCA thing, like, I don't get why they don't want you to DCA. It's kind of stupid because if you DCA, you're probably going to blow your account fast. Slowed it down, started trading in more of the eval. I was very nervous about it. Once I get my first payout, I'll feel at ease. Yeah, man, I'll be honest with you. Once I got paid, I felt a lot better myself. Because then all like the money you're paying out for accounts and stuff, you're now getting. For me, it was validation that my system works and things that I'm doing work. I actually had this whole conversation last night with Jay, where like I kind of feel like I found the money glitch, because every day I've been green pretty much the whole. I don't think I had a red day. I haven't had a red day in like 3 weeks. You know, like if you add all my gains in all the accounts and kind of combine them, like all my funded accounts, not evals, just funded accounts. I've been green pretty much every day, and just knowing when to stay out of trades has helped me make more money than knowing when to get into trades. So that's, I've been just focusing on that. Just knowing when to stay out. Like this a lot is just garbage to me. Like we're just trending, but like we're not really going anywhere. This is all garbage to me. Like knowing to stay out of trades helps me out. Vincent, are you with Apex or are you with like Top Step? Top Step or Take Profit Trader? Whew. Man, they just kind of, Apex. Yeah, I mean, I think Apex is going to pay me at the end of the day. I think I'm going to get paid by Apex, but I have a feeling that they're going to email me back. They're going to ask for more information, and then I'm going to email them and make videos, more videos, and then eventually they're going to pay me the other 2,000. And then I'm hoping to get these other ones over. Get these other ones over would be nice. I like Bullnox also. So this is a little unknown one, I guess, is Bullnox. Bullnox has evals for like $17, $18, but you can only use Rhythmic Trader Pro or like Quant Tower. You can only get Rhythmic accounts. So, but their consistency rule is 40%, not 30%. And evals, you can do anything you want with. It's pretty crazy. It is pretty crazy. But now that Apex is at like $36, let me see if I could show you this real quick. Account sign up. Let's see if the code is still working. They changed it. Here it is. The code MM. I think that's one of the YouTubers on here. His coupon code. But for a 50K account is only $29.75 compared to $38 or whatever Apex is at right now. So you could save yourself a little money. But it's only Rhythmic accounts. So you can't You don't get trade evade or anything. Which is fine by me. I have Rhythmic on the computer and my laptop. So Bull Knox is on my computer and Apex is on my laptop. But I will say, at the end of the day, no matter who you're with, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Top Stat, Bull Knox, you just got to make quality trades. It's all about trading and making money and not anything else. Like, yeah, there's rules and everything else, and you want to be like, oh, I hate these rules. But like at the end of the day, if you just make trades that are profitable, you're going to pull money out no matter who it is. Yo, what up? Yo, I saw you at the hardware store, bro. Were you at the hardware store buying a bunch of stuff? Yo. Yo, Jay, you know if you want to call me, you got to call me on freaking WhatsApp until Verizon fixes the cell tower by me. Yo, you getting any accounts back, Jay? You need to get off Boost Mobile? Bro, it's Mint Mobile. Me and Ryan Reynolds hanging out with Mint Mobile. Dude, don't they use all the same towers? If they don't pay you this time around, you can keep trading the same account, and the next pay cycle should be. Yeah, so basically that's what happens. Is they don't pay. If they don't pay me, you could keep the account, you could keep trading, and you basically trade. You just keep making money, and then just keep requesting, and then until they feel like paying you. I guess that's pretty much, what it is. It's kind of weird like that. But they don't, if you hit up support, I believe they don't even tell you what you need to get to. Like, they should tell you, like, we declined you and you need to get to 54,283. But they don't do it like that. And I don't know why. It kind of just, just kind of weird. I don't know. Apex's support is probably, listen, their prices are the best. Their support might be one of the worst. I can never get an answer back from them. Like, I emailed them. They emailed me yesterday about everything. I emailed them right back, and I haven't heard anything. It's been 24 hours already. It's like, I just want to get paid. I just want to get paid here. And, they're paying me $2,000, but I want the other two. And now I'm going to request another $4,000 from them. It's just, I don't know. I thought they would have given me the money. I didn't see that to be an issue with that trade. I think they were just trying to find something to not pay. But with all the documentation I gave them, I feel like you can't turn around and say it was a lucky trade. That's how I feel about it, at least. I don't know. Just one of those things. Listen, if they don't approve it, like you said, I'm just going to keep trading the account. I'll keep building it up, and then I'm just going to keep requesting. I'll probably add another $500 to $1,000 to it, and then request again, and then keep requesting. Yo, man, putting the gas pedal down and getting them to freaking pay me, bro. I honestly want to be one of those guys that's taking $20,000 out twice a month. I want them paying me like, minimum like 25, 30,000 a month, but I really want to be like 40,000. I feel like I could, because I see how much money I make in the funded accounts. Like today's a crap day. Like I made I think I have what do I got? 225. So what is that? $300. What did I make today? 300. That's nothing. $400. So I'm up $400 in just Trade-A-Vate, and I'm up about almost $2,000 in up almost 2,000 in, what do you call it? The other ones, Rhythmic Trader Pro. I got Bull Knocks out from the bottom. Bull Knocks is almost Trader-Bit. Yo, that's hysterical. I want to use, Jay, are you going to go to Quant Tower or anything like that, or Sierra Charts? Are you going to go to one of those other ones? I'm kind of dude, Matt uses Sierra, and a couple other people use it. Oh, you talking about because you got the Mac? The Mac? Oh. Is that what you're talking about, Jay? Quant Tower, you can't use Quant Tower on a Mac? I feel like you should. Yeah, not sure if Apple friendly, and I'd rather not pay for it. Ugh. Yeah. That's so crazy that they don't make these Apple friendly. Oh, baby. Are we getting in play here? We gonna get some movement here, guys? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Don't worry, Jay. You could follow me, dog. I'll allow it. Like that meme says, I'll allow it. Oh, man. It's got to come down a little bit more. I got which one is this? 51? I might just take this right here. I didn't get filled my whole piece. Let's see if it comes back down. Dude, I am I'm just grinding away here. Just grinding. Oh, hey Jay, by the way, I know you need some new accounts. So here, you can use that for some new accounts, Jay. Oh, please don't smoke me now because I'm fucking dicking around with Jay. Please don't smoke me now. Oh. Wait, I don't even know what's going on now. I just got freaking railroaded. Nope, got stopped out. Boom. Bro, it just stopped me out at the very bottom. How bad of a loss was this? $200? That's not bad. That's not terrible. Holy shnikes. You know what's crazy is I think I was in at almost the top short, and I just didn't hold it. I have there's nothing even around here to freaking bounce off of. Dude, that blew right through freaking everything. Bottom orb of the Qs, 377, blew through 200. I don't even think it's done. I don't think it's done. Dude, that was a massive wipeout. Jesus. Let's see if they were just quick rejection. Are they going to reject it? I would only do this in an eval, by the way. Anybody that's watching, this is eval only trade. This is not use your funded account. And the reason why is we're just washed out to the bottom anyways. So where trade a pullback setup maybe for a short. There's not much around here that I like. I wouldn't be surprised if they did bring it all the way back up. If I could see them bringing it back up, or I don't have like an edge in the trade, I don't really trade it with my funded accounts. I don't want to just destroy my accounts because of like a hunch or something like that. I want to trade setups. And if the setup is there, I'll take it. But my setup isn't like I'm not just going to I wouldn't short it. That I could tell you. If I was going to short it, it'd probably have to come all the way back up to 200. So if it comes up like 12 points from here, I could see taking a stab at it there. It's gotta work the move off. Like it just had this whole massive move. So now you got to work this off on the MACD. See, like new people probably were like, oh, I'm going to short it. I'm just going to keep shorting it. And you probably got pushed in, is probably what happened. Let it bounce. All this momentum to the downside, you got to let it breathe back up a little bit. Nothing goes in a straight line. So let it breathe, let it come back up, and it probably is going to die off somewhere around up here. That's what I would probably say. And if I'm wrong, but at least it's moved up quite a bit to relieve the downside move, where I could say, hey, that's a good entry. If it doesn't come up to it, it doesn't come up to it. But I definitely don't want to just short it without seeing a good sized bounce. There's probably a bunch of people that shorted at the 200 right here. They're about to get stopped out. I'm just looking to make some of my money back. Let's see what happens here. I got this freaking wire that's blocking my view. Oh, I should have just taken the money. Get my 35, 40 bucks. A winning trade is better than a freaking losing trade. So that's why I took those fundeds off right there. What I get, 30, 40 bucks, 50 bucks in each account. Just, it's not about huge winners all the time. Sometimes if you could just scalp for a little bit of money, you can really build up the account and then take your shot like you saw me take just before. I like to build up a little buffer before taking a shot. And when I do, I give it 200 bucks, but I'm not going to blow my account on one trade because it didn't go, I'm not going to just keep adding or, whatever. But, we're hitting this 200 here. All I'm in is an eval right now. And I'm basically in the eval because if it rejects here, it's probably going to reject enough that this eval would, see what happens. If the eval gets, I just added right there because it was at the 34. Let's see if we can get a rejection. If it rejects here, that's because you got the 200, you have 200 plus the 34s right there. You know, we might be able to see a nice move. You know, I want to see it move back down to like 87 or something and really pump this account up a little bit. But I'll be honest with you, we're starting to consolidate up here. That's not what you want to see if you're short. And that's why my stop's right here. And that's why I'm also not in anything else. Confucius say, Jay, are you in? Did you short it or what are you doing? I'll tell you what, the trade of the day, I caught the very bottom of the market earlier, and I wouldn't have had to make a single trade after that. I literally caught the very, very bottom. And I could have just done that in a bunch of accounts and been done. Done for the day, but I didn't. I caught it right here. I got in like 3 accounts at the very bottom. Man, this thing is just pushing. Woo! Come on, put in that freaking drop. I can only get 3 more funded accounts, and then I have 20, and I can't get any more funded accounts after that. I'm getting out of this, by the way. Of course, I get out as it's breaking, but it's right above VWAP. And I have a feeling we're going to consolidate right here. And we're going to push back up into the 220s or something. Has that feel to me, the push back up feel. I think we're going to consolidate, and somewhere around here, we're going to go back up. Oh, here's my trading here. I use pivot points, VWAP, orb 15. These EMAs are 9, 34, 200, 377. And all this stuff could be found right here. I use pivot point standard, super simple. And it's all free. You just got to pay for TradingView. Stop. Let's see if we bounce right here. I need to make back some of the money in this freaking. Need to make it back. Go, baby! With $200. Top Step kind of got smoked today a little bit. That just helped, though. That was 200. Reduced that in half. Reduced it, all because we just sold off massively. That massive sell-off was not cool. Not cool at all. I have to actually trade in some of my other accounts here. So we got to, I got to make some moves. I traded in this one, not that one. Jeez. Oh, I can't believe I did that in that account today. Oh, man. I don't even know why I just took that. Oh, come on. I'm getting out of this crap trade. Oh, I can't believe I had those two accounts and each one of them took a little bit of a hit today. That's why I got out of that. Jeez, just now I'm going to have to scalp and get this account back up. Doing it for the stream. Come on, they're just going to pop it here. See, they did a wick test. I'm curious if they tested, they bring it back up now. I see how my afternoon's going. Everything was going great. It was all going great. It was all good. Just an hour ago. It was all good. It was all good just an hour ago. Oh man, now it's not even working on my Rhythmic Trader Pro is like all messed up. Ugh. Come on. Give me a pop. Give me some cash in this account. Give me like 50. I'll take $50. Give me 50. What was that? 35? Actually, I made 55 in this other one. I'm just trying to nickel and dime here. Is it bottom orb on the Qs, bro? Bottom orb on the Qs. Oh, yeah, down here. Got a little bit to go on the orbs, I guess. It's a good spot. Tell you what, I think we're going to oh baby. What are we up? 55, 55, 60, 65. to start making some money here. I just hate that we're below the 34 and we're below the 200. Like, that's not where I want to be if I want to be going long. So it's definitely, to me, I'm weary, and that's why I'm scalping. I do feel like at some point I'm going to get the it's going to dump on me. Without a doubt, I feel like it's going to dump on me at some point. But I feel like if I can kind of scalp this for another 50, 60 bucks here, it would kind of make me feel a little bit better about come on. Boom. I'm just kind of chipping away, guys. Chipping away, as you see. But you know what? If you keep freaking going back to the well, at some point the water is going to dry up. Oh, I have an account that's at 51,900, and I think I'm not going to trade that one anymore today. These two were close. I could deal with a $200 loss, guys. Like, 200 bucks to me is like, that's not terrible. But 400 starts to get freaking annoying to me. Let's see what happens. Boom, another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. It's just, eventually I think it's going to dump, by the way, guys, just so you are aware. Here we go. Maybe we get this one over. Scalping is fun. Woohoo! Yeah, man. I mean, you know, how many times did we just play this consolidation? Like 5 times at least. I felt like it was going to break to the downside. I feel like it's going to break even further to the downside. I just want to get this account. It's not that bad. Yeah. I mean, Vincent, that's exactly what it looks like. Exactly what I was just doing, was just buying at support. I have my stop right there. Where are we going to go to, guys? This is the $1 million question. There's like nothing down here. Are they going to drop it like it's hot and we're going to just dump a do? I think I'm willing to risk. I think we're going to come back up. I still feel like they're not going to push it down. every time I feel like they're going to push it, they turn it around and bring it right back up. So we're off tomorrow. So volume is probably going to dry up from here to the end of the day. So anything is really possible come the end of the day. You definitely you could definitely get caught in some wick whacks, especially as we get closer to the end. I might just take my L on this account for $200 because I don't want to force something on an account that I built up to almost a payout. Same thing with this one. Like I made back, $150 maybe. Like I most definitely don't want to waste the accounts because I'm forcing to come back. I think I would rather just keep pushing. I'm just making sure I have to trade all these accounts. This is the other issue. So now I got to trade. I got to trade these accounts just to get a trade in. There's my 150. Jay, I like the 150s, bro. 150s might be my bread and butter here. I got to trade this one. Look, I told you they were going to bring it right back. It's exactly what they just did. They might bring this all the way back up. Yeah, 150s. I'm trading it like a 50. I'm trading it a little bit more aggressive than a 50. Like yesterday I was up 500 in it. Today I'm only up 116. I got to start copy trading some of these 50s. So being that I have to trade this, let's see what happens. Let's see if they turn it around and push this up. I might hold this position to see if I can get it. If they can turn this candle around. Nope, I'm getting stopped out. Awesome first trade in this account. Come on, man. Come on, man. I think they're going to stop me out. Just going to get a flash little push. Actually, I'm just going to push it down just a little bit because this is where we've wicked a bunch of different times. So this has been support. So I think they're going to maybe give me a push. But overall, we might be heading down. But if we can get over this little area here, I wouldn't be surprised if we get 20, 30 points out of this, which would be a real nice start to the account. 20 points would be $400. It's definitely getting tight because now you're in all these moving averages and everything are right here that if you can clear it, you could definitely get I sold first trade in the account. I didn't want it to be a red one. There's nothing worse than the first trade in a brand new PA account to be red. There's nothing worse. You just know you're done after that. I can't stand first trade Let's see. You think they're going to bring it right back up? Let's see what happens. Come on. Bring it back up for me. Let's go, baby. Just keep building it. Just keep scalping. But I think the overall trend here is probably going to roll over. If we can get back up here, I'm probably going to – I might short it with a stop up here. I want a better entry. I want an entry up around here. You know, that's the difference between $100. If I can get one, let's just look at what the 5 is looking like real quick, guys. 5 minute. See, this worries me though. The 5 minute is showing a buy on my 0 lag indicator. That worries me. I don't know if I would trade a funded account here. Yep. Man, we're in a little choppy little action here. I'm going to take this. This is going to be my stop. That's like for the end of the day. I think we're going to flush here, maybe end of the day. I just don't like that we couldn't get above the 34. If you watch, if you can't get above the 34, you can't. Yo, what up, MK? What up? Yo, how's your day, man? Apex finally paid me half my money. Half payout. I'm only the $2,000 guy. I want to be the $4,000 guy. I want to request. I got a bunch of accounts close to them having to pay me again. Yeah, man. I am. Dude, you have no idea how happy I am about it. You have no idea. But now they're messing around with the payouts, man. I'm like, yo, just pay me. Just pay me, guys. Just you owe it to me. I mean, you guys owe me the money. Just freaking pay it out. Oh, this chop is unbelievable right now. It's killing me. Oh, come on. Roll it over, man. Just dump it. Just dump a do. No, they're not going to dump it. They're going to try picking it back up into this crap zone. Oh, jeez. Dude, you ain't kidding. So the reason why I'm trying to short, like this isn't a real play. Like I'm in it in really like one account. Like we break this trend line, you're probably going to see like a 20-point dump. So risk reward for me is where this is at. And if you look, I'm only really in it here. This isn't like a real play where you see me like load up in 5 or 6 accounts. This is just a small percentage, like a low percentage trade. You know, can I make a lot here? Yeah. If it drops 20 points, I think I can slam it. I'm using a PA that I really don't care about. You know, the PA is brand new, and you know, but that's my idea behind this trade right now. But man, do they not want to look? They don't want to sell it off though. They don't want to sell this market off, which is crazy. This is the break. You're witnessing the break right here, and there's no volume coming in to push it. Come on, guys. Get with the freaking program. Push it for me. Is that it? That's it? Tops. Jesus. That's it? Oh, man. This is a nothing trade. I'm getting out of that. Oh, lucky I just got out of it in this account. I think I'm still in it in Top Step. This is an eval. This isn't even a real freaking account. They're not giving the volume. They're not giving the short volume, and that's why I got out of the trade. If you look, I took $5 because they're not pushing it. I think it's because, yo, you got to call me on WhatsApp, bro, until they fix the cell tower by me. So hit me up later on WhatsApp. Yo, before you leave, Jay, before you leave, here, this coupon code keeps you in accounts longer than 1 day. Be sure to use it. Cove Trader, Intake Profit Trader. It's the best of the best coupon code that keeps you in accounts. That's the new promo. Oh, someone's at my door. Hold on. I'll be back in 2 seconds, literally. 2 seconds, guys. Yo, I'm back. Oh man. I just got stopped out of that trade on Top Step. If you don't hear it, they're not pushing it down, man. They are not pushing the down volume. Just isn't. Is the sell volume just isn't there? And that's kind of when I stopped shorting, to be honest with you. Like you could see earlier today when we broke the 34 here, like they really pushed it down and sold it. This is like this would have been the time for them to come in and slam it down, and nobody came in. I thought we were going to retest this wick at the bottom on this break, and they didn't, and that's why I got out. Sometimes if you get out with a $5 gain is better than taking a loss, you know, especially if you're in a funded account. You know, you don't want to lose money in funded accounts. Oh, man. This is some serious freaking chop zone, guys. This is just Choppy McChopperson. I don't like it to the downside, really, because every time they try to push it, they fake you out. And to the upside, we're still down. Yo, what up, Captain? What up? What up? DJ 0% day. MC Chop. Yo, today's rough. I'm hoping. It was yeah, yo, I thought the morning was pretty decent, to be honest with you. I caught this right at the pivot point. Who's Hamza? Hamza? I don't know who Hamza is, because they did similar stuff 2 days already in the morning. What they? I don't, because they did similar stuff 2 days. Yeah. I don't know. I play the pivot points a lot, and that's why I grabbed it down here. I wish I held it all. A, B, C, D reversals. Oh, that's like oh, it's called something else that I know it as. Elliott wave, right? Like Elliott wave. Or harmonic. Yeah. Diamond patterns. Yeah. I know a lot of people use them, and I don't knock anything. If it works for you, use it. I think everybody whatever works for you is what you should use. But if you have a system that doesn't work, then you should learn and see what some other people are using. I looked at it. I looked at it and it just doesn't. You know, I just can't get it to work, to be honest with you. Algoland. I'll look that stuff up and see. Oh, the first hour opening range break and things like that. I have the 15-minute on here for the cues. I play that a lot. The 15-minute orb. I have a feeling they're going to bring this back up here. This is kind of breaking this trend. Deciding on what I want to do here. I can see it being a fake out, and then they just roll it right over here and just dump it. Could definitely see it. Captain, you trading live accounts? What are you trading over there? Are you at Apex? Past 50K one? Yeah. Pros recommend trading crude oil when nothing's going on. Dude, I traded CL and HO. HO was crazy. The home heating oil. I was like, man, that thing's wild. Also, I bought it at night one time, and the spread was so big, I was down $500 pretty quick. I'm with you with passing evals. Passing evals are pretty simple. Evals have gotten to the point that I'm kind of like whatever with. Even getting payouts now. I'm almost there on like a bunch of accounts. It's kind of my issue when I was trying. All right, hold on. If you go to like 4 lots on evals, just NQ. I had 9,000. Ooh. Yeah, you got to protect capital. Protecting capital is just as important as making the capital. I hate going against the trend. Oh, I got trapped one time. Yeah, you can't get stubborn. You just got to sell out. You just got to sell out, and you just call it a day. I've been in the situations where you're like, oh, I thought this was going to go. Let me see. That's kind of my issue. I'm like, this can't go. Dude, it's about just letting the runners run. Like, you got to buy multiple contracts and just let runners run is the best thing. This thing's going to break up, I think. I'll have my stop below here. I'm trying to pass this top step eval. My consistency was like over. Yeah. I know what you're saying. Yeah, a lot of people got tilted, man. A lot of people. You're not the only one, man. So I used to leg in, and I don't know if they counted as DCA because my orders are in prior to any of them getting filled. But I kind of just stopped, and now I only do 2 lots on 50K accounts. Yeah, that I don't. They obviously started to. They obviously started to implement the rules because I think people were getting payouts, and they needed to do something to kind of collect a little cash. Dude, I have Bullnox. I use them on my Trader Rhythmic Trader Pro Bullnox. Bullnox is pretty cool. 40% consistency rule. You know, fees are super expensive on my funded futures, man. You gotta be crazy. Although this guy Nagy on the stream here that hangs out, he made like $14,000 with my funded futures this month. But that's why I'm trying to get Top Step funded so I can use them, and then yeah, I'm trying to use Top Step, and then I'm going to move over to Take Profit Trader and just kind of spread it out. I have a funded account with Bullnox also. I've been trading it around. Yeah, you got to have multiple accounts, man. Like if you like, I feel like if you're going to be super active, you gotta really have a couple of accounts. I feel like they don't want to see you trading all freaking day. It just feels that way. I'm going to take a shot right here. Take a shot, see what happens. Yo, welcome to everybody new on the stream. What's going on? Feel free to say what's up in the chat. I think we're going to consolidate here. We're going to push. I had an edge clear with Sierra before for personal, but it was... Yeah, I don't know what edge clear with Sierra. I guess Sierra charting is what you're talking about. I used to trade my E-Trade account live futures, and then I found out about this stuff, so that's why I kind of got into this. This is either going to go right here or we're going to roll. We're going to roll. Philip Capital, Edge Clear's introductory broker. Yeah, Philip Capital was the firm. I haven't heard about them, but I'll look it up after the stream. Like AM. Yeah. I enjoy trading with has anyone mentioned Fast Track? Oh man. Fast Track. I think ah yeah, Fast Track is interesting. It just their website looks so goofy that it's like a race car track. I'm like, I just can't. Oh my god, I got stopped out of this. All right, come on, take me to the promised land. Just freaking ramp it. Um, I feel like Fast Track. Yeah, Fast Track looks silly. Look, yeah. Why couldn't they build a real freaking website, man? Like, what are you guys doing? It looks like I'm gonna go race Ferraris in Las Vegas. Like, I don't trust. I don't trust that. Sorry. If I was gonna go race cars in the desert, I would probably use Fast Track. That's how I yeah, tailgating. Yo, that's exactly what it looks like to me. Like I just can't get behind it. I'm moving my stop up here. Am I gonna get stopped out or are they gonna push it? Take some money. Ricky, yo, if you're not first, you're last. That's what they're saying is gonna be. If you're not first, you're last. Yo, if you're giving money to Fast Track, I would wait to see that other people are getting payouts. That is just my honest opinion. Is I would make sure other people are getting payouts before you start giving them your money. I don't trade with anybody that's brand new. I want to see that they have a track record, that they've paid people out for at least 6 months. You know, there are certain things that I look for to make sure that I'm not doing this. Yeah, stay calm with the cougar in the car. You know, I want to make sure that they're going to pay me. That's where I'm at. And I just don't really feel like I'm going to get paid with Fast Track. And I could be completely wrong there. They might pay you and it might be great. Um, I just feel like at the end of the day, they should have made a real looking website and maybe I would have given them a shot. Now they have to kind of prove themselves in the prop firm world to get my money. That's how I feel. Yo, what do you think? We get a retest right here? We get that retest. We're gonna come down. Let me get it. Let me get it. Did I trade in all these today? Oh, I didn't get. We didn't get that retest. Ugh. But yeah, that's how I feel about Fast Track. I know. I think you brought up M&M. I think you brought Fast Track up the other day. Have you tried them yet, or no? I'm curious if you tried them on how everything feels. I guess. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can get a bounce here. Boom, baby. Working this account back up from the freaking loss I took. Come on. Let's go off. Bounce off you up here. Oh. I got stopped at the bottom. Freaking. I don't think this account was meant to be green today. That would have been a nice little bounce. Woo! Wow. Wow. They just sold that off. Fake out. Fake out, fake out. Let's see. Are they going to rip it? Come on. Just give me like $50. Just trying to scalp some. That wasn't me. I just found out about them yesterday. I try with the promotion they have. We'll see. What was the promotion? Oh, they got you? MK, what did what account did you get? What happened? How'd you what are they running right now? I know they're running a bunch of deals. The fake. They got you on the fake out on the NQ? Yeah. Yep. Yep. They just did it again. They just bounced it and volume's light. I'll be honest with you, with tomorrow being closed, volume's going to be light here, and they're going to do some wild shenanigans, I think. Some wild shenanigans. And they just bring it right back up. Yeah, so the NQ is open tomorrow, but you got to remember the general stock market is not, and volume is going to be super light. So it's almost going to be like trading the overnight. So just remember that. So you're probably going to get a lot of chop, and you'll probably get a lot of fake outs. just something to realize when you're trading tomorrow. Like I wouldn't be buying breakouts, just to throw it out there. Man, this has been one big freaking chop where they faked up and now they're kind of rolling it over. Oh man, I've been on this stream for over 2 hours already. I don't know if we're going to get another decent setup before the end of the day. I think I'm just going to lick my wounds on some of these accounts. Not bad, like $76 is whatever. 200 is not terrible. This one took a hit. $400 is taking a hit. That's up. This one took a hit, but that's a brand new account. I'm okay with that. This one's up, which is nice. And this one's about even. There's really only one account that took a decent hit on me today. Is that one I'm down $400 in. This one right here. If I can make a good trade and get like $200-300 back here, that'd be nice. Man, this is just chopping around. I think I'm going to do, I'm down 288 on, that's not bad. I think anything less than $300 is whatever. And once you go over 300, I'm starting to be like, that kind of sucks. Even when I'm up on accounts like $100, I'm like, whatever, it's good I'm up. But I mean, it's not really like I'm up a good amount. I'm going to take this with a tight stop here. I just feel like we're going to, this is a guess. This is a guess trade. I am just guessing here. This isn't my normal setups. I just kind of feel like we're going to sell off here. And if I can get a couple shekels to add to this account, I'm probably just going to take it. There we go. There we go. That was good. Cut it by $50. Cut it by $50. Can we keep going lower? Yes, we can. I was happy with my gains. I just scalped it real quick. I sold because we've wicked over here a bunch of times, so they're probably going to buy it up here. I'll be honest with you. The last half hour, because it's going to get like wiki and stuff like that, I may not trade because I don't want to smoke an account off of something that's not following my trade plan. Just being honest. This is just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth here. I'll come on live tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm going to make a trade. I might. If you have things that you could do tomorrow, I would go do them. How's that sound? And if you're not doing anything and I start streaming, come hang out. But I'm not waking up to be like, oh, today's going to be a good day of trading, because I don't like trading chop. So I probably will kind of hang for a lot, and then maybe I take a trade or two. But if you have stuff going on, I would go do your stuff and not worry about trading, because I feel like you're not going to miss much. Just being honest, it's just going to be maybe you're probably going to get a good move at some point, but I think it's going to be a lot of chop. This is a nice little bounce here. I just chop and watch it come back down. Just fake out, come back down, and then just keep chopping here. Just feel like it's lacking the volume. Yo, what's up? So yeah, I got $2,000 approved, and there's $2,000 still waiting to be approved. They approved the one account for $2,000, and the other account they had questions on one of my trades, and I had to provide them a full trade plan. I had to give them why I bought. They wanted me to review trades that were from 2 days before that happened to 2 days after, to make sure I was consistent with my trade plan. It was crazy, the stuff that they were asking me, just to make sure. I told them, I was like, dude, I'm doing the same thing over and over. Like, I'm consistently making money here. I don't understand what the issue is. Like, every day I'm consistently making money. So why I'm doing the same thing over and over? So I don't get the issue. And then they, I don't know, they haven't gotten back to me. I sent them 3 emails. 3 emails, and I'm just waiting to hear back. I guess a lot of people asked. I'll be honest with you, ever since they didn't approve me, I'm going to start pushing my top step, and I'm going to probably start a take profit trader, like a take profit trader, 50K account. And I'm probably going to start trading that on the stream. If anybody's looking to get one of those accounts, I have a coupon code, Cove Trader. You could probably save some money. I think I'm going to start, just because I'm tired of like the DCA rules. I'm tired of a lot of the rules. I have 17 funded accounts with Apex, so I'm not just going to get rid of them, but I think I'm going to grow with other platforms. I'm going to grow with Top Step and Take Profit Trader. Just seems like the way to go. Yeah, that's where I'm going. But honestly, this is just chopping around. I think I'm going to head out for the day, guys. I think I'm heading out for the day. If you guys want to get take profit trader accounts or Top Step accounts, should save you some money there. All right, I'm getting off. Volume's low. If this is just chop and I don't want to, it's not getting my setup. So I will. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, and I'll try to stream tomorrow. All right, take it easy, guys.